Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Phasmophobia on your device. So in order to download and install the Phasmophobia on your device, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and install Steam on your device. Only through Steam you could go ahead and access the following game. So you have to go ahead and install it or visit the official website, that is steampower.com, and press the install button and runs the installation program. Once you're done installing Steam, then you have to go ahead and create your account. When you're done creating your account, log in and go to stores. When you're on the stores page here, you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for. Since we are looking for Phasmophobia, go ahead and type in that. When you locate the game, then it's gonna take you to this sort of page, which is gonna look something like this. Now scroll down a bit and then go ahead and press on add to cart. When you do that, head over to the checkout procedure and make sure to add your credit card details and all that in order to buy the game, and you'll have successfully installed the following game on your PC or laptop. So that's how you can download Phasmophobia on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.